Okay guys, I'm having a really weird issue and I just need some quick help here. This is a file that I'm including. It's called playerhead.php and we've just got some paths set up. The only one I'm worried about right now is this config path, and this actually points to an XML file, but right now it's called lessonconfig.php, and this PHP has a content type output of text/XML. So let's go to where we use this config path. It's actually included down here in this array, paths config. So I'm going to go up here to player.php and go down to this JavaScript here, and this is mostly what I get when I compile a Flash video from Camtasia Studio. But I have this JavaScript here, and this is basically where they want that XML config file. And so I've defined this variable up here. So I'm going to show you this. It's going to be just that path that I showed you before, and then I have a query string here on the end. And I just want to give it a video path, which is an SWF file, which is going to be the actual video, and then the width of the video, and I get that from the player head also, and then the height of the video, and those are all working properly and giving me the proper values in the query string. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the config file. So that will be right here. And this is actually an XML file that's being parsed by PHP. So I'm going to show you where I have those values being put in. Right here I have width and then the height, and I have it again right here, width and height. And then here I have the video path. And once PHP outputs the XML file, it's exactly the same as the XML file that comes with a published video from Camtasia Studio. The problem is I get different results when I use this file here and when I use the file that Camtasia Studio gives me. So I'm going to show you an example here when I use my file, the file I created, and here's the video that I have, and as you can see, the controls up at the top here, they're obviously not supposed to be at the top. They're supposed to be down here in this white space, but they appear up here at the top, although they still work. So just quickly to show you, I'm going to go back to PHP Designer, and I'm going to open up the lesson 1 config file. Now this is an XML file, and I'm going to copy, actually I'm going to go back to this, I'm going to copy all of this, and I'm going to put it in a quick notepad file so I can get back to it. Kids, don't try that at home. And now I'm going to go back here and replace what they gave me with that. So now it should be exactly as they gave it to me, except the only thing I have here is this video path, but this is going to work anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and click Control S for save and go back to here and say refresh. And as you can see, the controls are back down here at the bottom, and it's all good. Now if I were to compare that XML file, this one here, which works, with the one that doesn't work, and compare them side by side, you find that they're exactly the same. So I have no idea why it's not working, and I need some help. Sorry about the phone that's ringing in the background, but thank you. If you have any questions, please just send me a message or go to the PHP video tutorials forums. Thanks.